Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm so excited that you are here again with me in another tech tutorial. Oh my gosh, that did not seem to want to get out, but we're here anyways, and welcome to the next tech tutorial. That is a tongue twister, shall I say. Anyway, today we're going to be going through exactly how to set up custom fonts inside of Zenler. Now, I'm super excited for this feature because it's just been released very, very recently. And it depends, obviously, when you're watching this video, but it's been recently as to me making this video, of course. And I wanted to show you how to do this because it is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of headache. And who doesn't like, to have a lot of time on their hands and not have headaches when it comes to tech? So let's go ahead and make this absolutely easy peasy and simple for you. Let's go and head into your new Zenler account, and I'm going to go ahead into mine so you can see exactly how to do this step by step. I like my step-by-step videos, so we're going to go ahead and show you this step by step. Your very first thing is going to be logging into your new Zenler site, of course, because otherwise, how are you going to get access to this, right? If you do not currently have a new Zenler site, go ahead and check out my video that reviews new Zenler and grab your free account today. And when you do so, I'll actually send you a jumpstart guide and whole video tutorials that I have for you on that. So enough about that. Let's head into the exact step-by-step on how to go ahead and set up custom wide fonts for the whole entire site. So you're going to go and navigate over to here where it says site, and then we're going to go to branding down here, and we can see we're on the branding page. You're going to scroll past the logo, the favicon, and your font families. And before, you used to only have the option to choose these fonts that were in here. Now, I'm excited to tell you we can choose our own custom font pair. You heard me right. You can choose whichever font you want. Now, of course, it has to be a font that can be a universal font that's already inside of the system, but hopefully in the future, they will allow us to also upload our own custom fonts. But for now, there are plenty to choose from. And to do that, you're just going to hit which section you want to change. So a heading or a body font, and you're going to click on it here, and it's going to go ahead and bring up our choosy box. Yeah, that's the technical name for it. Choosy box. And we're going to take our choosy box, and you can type in up here if you want, let's say something in the K, and then we can, A, and we can see here that it's bringing all the KAs. Or what you can do is you can simply just go through and find the font that you like, and you can see it actually gives you, like a sneak peek. So you can see exactly what it looks like. You don't have to worry about, what it's going to look like. So that's great. So you can go ahead and pick your font there as well as here. And what will happen is this is going to give you a universal setting for your headings and your body font. Now, how awesome does that make your job when you are designing a website, a funnel, a course, a membership, anything inside of here that you wanted to design? And you can now go ahead and toggle on that you want it to be the site-wide font. I love it. I'm so excited that they came out with this. And this has been, yes, one of the updates that I'm pretty much the most excited about right now. And I think it's simply because it makes my job as a designer much more easier to design other people's sites and funnels and courses and memberships. And it takes me a lot less time to, have to switch the font every single time I put in a piece of text. So now you can make it easy on yourself. And this is how you go ahead and create a site-wide custom font inside of Zenler. Let me know if you have any other questions that you would like answered when it comes to the new Zenler platform. I would be happy to do a tutorial for you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below or ding that bell if you're here on YouTube watching this video. And that will allow you to be able to be notified as soon as I have a new video up. I generally do 4 videos a month, which is what I try anyways to do. And I love answering your questions in those videos. So go ahead and use the comment section below this video and let me know if you have any questions that you would like answered in a step-by-step video tutorial. I look forward to meeting you someday on my comment section or in some other capacity. Who knows? You never know where life will take you. And I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video tutorial.